Hello my friend, I will teach you how to code wireless sensors with X9 control panel. We will choose Zone 0 for remote control, Zone 15 for PIR sensor, and Zone 6 for door sensor. First you need to power on the X9 control panel and then press setting button. You can see enter pin. It means you need to input password 1, 2, 3, 4. Press OK button and press this button, number 8, to choose this one, program and delete, and then press OK button. You can see the zone number is 00. It is for remote control, and you can press OK button and you will see program and delete. We choose program to press OK button. Programming. Now you can press any button on the remote control. You can see success. Okay. Press this button and program delete. Press OK. You need to press this button, delete button, to delete the zone number, and then input 0, 6. It is for door sensor. Press OK button and we choose program to press OK. Programming. Success. Okay. Return. Press OK. Zone number delete. Input 1, 5. 1, 5. Press OK. Program. OK. Program. Moving your hands. Success.